Today we want to introduce Klingspor's new Chroma and Zircon O-Flute router bits. They extend our product range to include router bits coated with some of the most advanced performance coatings on the market today. To see how these improve production capabilities, let's take a look at each bit and their characteristics. The Zircon O-Flute bit coating is yellow in color. It is a hard ceramic coating that provides a razor-sharp cutting edge, effortless chip removal, prevention of chip rewelding, an extended tool life, and exceptional cut quality. During the cutting process, the O-Flute configuration provides effortless chip evacuation because it is working in conjunction with the coating. The waste materials are rolled up in the large O-shaped flutes and sent away from the work area. They also carry away a large portion of the heat generated during cutting. The result of a cooler cutting temperature is that the chips are prevented from rewelding themselves to the cut edge of the workpiece. The Zircon bit is designed to cut aluminum, composites, non-ferrous metals, and even titanium. The multicolored coating on our Chroma bit is a micro-thin, nano-ceramic coating that enhances not only the performance but the life of the bit. Some features include increased hardness, reduced heat, less friction, and a 2 to 3 times longer life. Here's how this nano-ceramic coating helps to extend the life of this bit. First, the coating provides around 4,500 Vickers for incredible hardness along the cutting edge, compared with stainless steel, whose Vickers rating is only 120. Second, this coating reduces friction, resulting in a reduction of heat and wear. These characteristics allow the Chroma bit to have a working life that is 2 to 3 times the life of a standard uncoated bit, while being able to operate at higher speeds and feed rates. While this bit is capable of cutting many different materials, its characteristics are best suited for working on plastics and composites. Both of these Klingspor solid carbide spiral O-Flute bits offer a high performance, but with the added coatings, you get a CNC cutter that will outperform most other bits. To make these Klingspor cutting-edge offerings part of your manufacturing process, see your local Klingspor representative and ask about the Chroma and Zircon solid carbide spiral O-Flute bits, only from Klingspor.